Hi, I'm David Raich from Pender, and I'm standing here with...
His dad. I am Jeff Raich, and I'm the grandfather of Levi and Leighton.
And we're going to do day 12, Advent, inside the bag from the Advent Kindness Kit. And there you go. Day 12 passage is Luke 1, 39, 45.
39:45. And I'm reading from my Bible,
Which one is
is the NIV Bible, which is the New International Version. So here we go. At that time, Mary gets ready and hurried to a town in the hill country of Judea, where she entered Zachariah's home and greeted Elizabeth. When Elizabeth heard Mary's greeting, the baby leaped in her womb, and Elizabeth was filled with the Holy Spirit. In a loud voice she exclaimed, "Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the child you will bear. But why am I so favored that the mother of my Lord should come to me? As soon as the sound of your greeting reached my ears, the baby in my womb leaped for joy. Blessed is she who has believed that the Lord would fulfill his promise to her."
It's the Word of God for the people of God. When I hear that passage, it's the first time where it's illustrated for me the presence of the Holy Spirit when the baby leapt, and so I kind of like that.
And when I hear that passage, I think of my own grandchildren when they walk into my house and they yell, "Hi, Grandpa." I just get all goosebumps and really happy and so glad that they're here to visit.
That's very sweet. Now that we're done with our Bible passage, we're going to grab our card out. And on the back of our passage card, we have our stickers. And the last few Advent readings have all been about the message from the angel Gabriel. Oops, that's all right. So we have 11 stickers on here already. And we will add the 12th sticker of the angel. Where should it go?
On top of the
On top?
rest, yeah.
And here we go. So now we have that on there. You can put it up a little closer. We're very high tech here at Pender. Very high tech.
Right. White on white doesn't do very well.
No,
but it's there.
It's there. We promise it's there. Okay, so Becky Connell had the cliffhanger joke, and it was, why did Sal throw a spear at David for playing music? And the answer to that joke is he played Christmas music before
Thanksgiving.
Yes, that would be quite annoying. All right, and then today's joke, cliffhanger, would be knock knock.
Who's there?
Wayne.
Wayne who?
Find out tomorrow.
By the way,
Oh.
I'm really not this short. If I step up a little bit
And I
and,
go
he
down.
goes down a little bit, I could be taller.
He could be. Oh, and also remember that night in Bethlehem, Dad.
Oh, that's right. Friday night, rain or shine, we're having a night in Bethlehem with all kinds of live characters and all kinds of activities to do. Plus, we're going to have some real live animals,
Real
including
animals.
a camel.
A camel.
Everybody should see that. Can't miss it.
It was great last year. We'll have a good time this time, too. See you. Merry Christmas.